Hey, what's going on, guys? As you guys see, I don't have a steering wheel right now. I ran into a slight issue where when I ran the wire for the Motion Raceworks button down through my steering column, I didn't do it correctly, and I actually completely ripped up the clock spring and tore the wires and cables inside the clock spring out. So I had to buy a new one. I got it down to this point. I wanted to just tear it down to see what was really going on with it. So now we're here. I'll go inside and grab the old one to show you guys what I did. But yeah, I lesson learned there. I will really love to see the cable on the outside now after dealing with what I dealt with. So I'm still going to use the stock sensor, but I got a new clock spring that should just snap right into place with the factory sensor here. It does only go on one way, as I see here, but yeah, so I'm gonna get this started to be installed, and we'll go from there. But yeah, I now have deleted that video, so lesson learned. But let's get started. Alright, well, wish me luck. I'm going to hook up the negative battery cable now. Looks good so far. As you see, I'm ducking out of the way. Anytime I mess with the airbag, I get so sketched out. Hopefully at least one of you guys can relate to that, because I get sketched. Should be good. I'm going to start it real quick and just kind of run it through and make sure everything's good that way. Well, guys, the bad luck juju hit again. I think I will actually have to take it to get calibrated somewhere, which I don't even know where to do that at, because the last place I called about for the door lights to get it reprogrammed, they didn't even care to answer me. I think it's about time I just buy one of those scan tools myself. Yeah, probably just have to relearn the module. That kind of sucks, but well, guys, at least I can drive it again. So I'm actually going to go grab the broken one and show you guys the damage I did, and then we'll finish off this video. So I'll get right back with you. So this is the jumbled mess that I had with the other one that I broke. So yeah, don't listen to me when it comes to that, unfortunately. But yeah, there's that, and then it ruined a little part of the other wire I don't have around here right now when it was getting sent through. But yeah, real unfortunate. I have a few friends that could possibly recalibrate it for me, because most dealers say unless they do the work, it's basically no point of them calibrating it, which I understand to an extent, but I also don't want to pay $700 just for what I did for $30. Well, to make things a little bit better, if it wasn't raining, I'd actually go try this. Googling told me that if I turn it all the way left, all the way right, and then go drive for a little bit above 15 mile an hour, the code itself might go away, just because it has to relearn itself, which would be a wonderful thing. But if not, I might have to just spend the money and get a relearn tool, because it's not like I'm going to be not doing this for the rest of my life. And if everything goes well here, I'll be repairing a bunch of cars that would probably need to be relearned eventually at some point. So yeah, just a little update. But obviously we're in actually a tornado watch right now, so definitely not good enough weather to take the car out in. But next nice day, I'll update you guys on how that goes. But for now, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.